Well, I'm driving right now with Uber, and I had a little bit of an issue over at the airport with Uber. There's a new system where it matches you with a ride that's closer if it's closer to you. If there's a ride that's closer to you, it switches it out with somebody that's closer to your ride that you were going to go pick up, and then it'll switch you with somebody that's closer to you. So if you're in the airport, it does it by the GPS line of sight, and that's not really how things work. I'm on the way back to the airport, and there's a vehicle fire right now. It's like in progress, and I don't know if I can get this on footage or not. I'm gonna try my best right here. Check this out. That's a vehicle fire. That's not very. Holy shit! That's some crazy shit going on there. I've seen a couple vehicle fires here in Phoenix. I don't know what people don't take care of their vehicles. It's conversed on the. Ooh, it smells bad here. I forgot to seal the vent on the system here in the car. But I'm driving right now back to the airport, and it looks like the fire department's not at the scene for that car. It's on fire. I hope nobody's hurt. But anyway, like I said, with the GPS system right now, and it's funny how I just go right back into what I was saying. But the GPS line of sight, so as the bird flies, and I'm not a bird, and I don't know how to fly yet, and I sure as shit know that the car doesn't know how to fly. So if I were to simply try to go pick somebody up at the airport, you know, if they're at a specific terminal, you go to drive to the terminal, and then all of a sudden it matches you with somebody that's on the other side of the airport, like on the streets in the city. And that's fine and dandy, that's great. But the thing is that I can't get out of the airport without driving for like another 3 miles, and then by the time I get there, that person will cancel. So I just cancel those rides. I don't even know why Uber has decided to do that. Like, we have to accept the pickup in the first place. So if there's a pickup for somebody, we have to accept that. We can deny it, but it goes against our account on our acceptance rate. And I know my acceptance rate's usually about 95%, 90. I try to keep it high. But my acceptance rate's going to go to shit, because I wrote Uber a message, and I said, hey, look, I says, I'm not all about this. Switch things out. As people come in to the system, I pick them up. You know, I'm on my way to the airport. People call me, say, hey, you're my ride for the airport. You're James, you know, you're coming to the airport. I'm like, yeah, I'll be there in a minute. I'm in a black car. Look for me. You know, and so I get there, and then as soon as I pull up curbside, they're ready to throw their stuff in the car. It switches out on them. Before they even get in the car, I can even turn on the ride actually starting. It switches out, and all of a sudden I can pick somebody up on the other side of that, outside of the airport. So now I got to drive all the way out. I just canceled that. I'm just like, I'm sorry, man. I don't, you know, if that happens to somebody, I'm like, hey, I'm sorry, man. I didn't realize that Uber was going to change the system, the way things work. Apparently they didn't think about the possibility of everything that's going to go into play with this. And they, you know, some other ride now is going to pick you up. So I made it to the guy first, but for some reason it still switched me out last minute, like as if the ride right next to me, the Uber right next to me, was closer. So I don't agree with that. I already have to wait 20 minutes sometimes at the airport to get a ride. So now I got a ride, and all of a sudden it throws me outside of the airport. I'm only working for the airport right now. I don't want anything else. Sometimes I just don't want to deal with people who've been drinking. And I don't have a problem with people that drink. I was a DJ for over 15 years in clubs and bars and schools and weddings and everything. So I've done that. I get it. If you want to party, party safe. Get an Uber. I have no issues with that, and I don't mind people who've been drinking. It's just sometimes the airport is great runs. It's long runs. People just want to get home. So generally people are a lot happier in the Uber going home, because it's the final part of their trip, than it is just people going around in the city to wherever they got to go. So that's something I love about the airport. It's just a great business to work from. So anyway, neither here or there. That's pretty much all I got to say. If you can check me out on Instagram, I made a new video today and put it on Instagram. It's this glitch video with my logo. You gotta check it out. It's awesome. I don't want to edit much of my vlogs or anything like that, so I turn on the camera, I talk to the camera, I say what I gotta say, turn it off, upload it, and that's it. I'm not intending to edit the videos, really, to be honest with you. It's just, I don't have time, to be honest with you. I get up, make my breakfast, I poke around on the computer a little bit with my audio and my drumming and my music and my guitar playing and all that stuff, other stuff I do. I don't got time to really sit around for an hour and a half and edit vlogs on top of that. You know, I've talked to a couple friends that maybe want to edit, they know how to edit my vlogs, and I'd be happy to pay them a couple bucks. They can gain experience and learn, but you know, nobody's really on board with that. I don't know why I can't get somebody to edit. But if you're interested in editing, anybody out there knows how to edit, maybe make this a little bit more interesting, my vlogs, I'd throw you a couple bucks for it. Check me out, DJ Crazy Jimmy, as always, RadioMeLive.com. Download the app on the Google Play Store, DJ Crazy Jimmy. It's a music streaming service. Currently have 12 internet radio stations. If you're listening to this and then it's a year and a half later than I posted it originally, I may have 20 or 100 stations online. Who knows? RadioMeLive.com, DJCrazyJimmy.com. Check me.